Here is one secret to make people want to listen to you for longer and to make it easier for them to understand you. I'm going to read one sentence in 2 different ways. Notice which one you prefer and which one you enjoy listening to more. I'm going to cover my face up so you're not influenced by the way I look. So, number 1. I really like eating apples. They're really delicious and I can't wait to eat this apple. Number 2. I really like eating apples. I can't wait to eat these. They are so delicious. Which one did you prefer listening to? Which one was easier to understand, easier to focus on? Most people say, not most, everybody says number 2. So play with this. Put emotion into your words, pump up your words, and keep people listening. What it actually does scientifically is gets the message to process from one side of the brain to the other. Without this, people find it hard to focus. So play with this with your friends, pump up your words with meaning and emotion, and see what a difference it makes.